Lord, I trust you. Please give me strength and mercy on us. I know that my cross in my shoulder is grace of God, not only my name, but for those who need my help, for my beloved family, my wife, my children, my father, my mother. I know that I am not alone. I know that all my pains has a reason. I know that God is working when I am about to surrender. I know that God is with us, has a big plan, has good news that I cannot see. Because Lord, I trust you. All my pains and trials I give to you. Amen.